Hey there, in this video we are going to learn how to request multiple permissions from the user in one simple way using Jetpack Compose in Android. By the way, asking for multiple permissions at once is like going on a first date and asking your date for a number, email, their Netflix password all at once. It's a lot to ask for, but if you are lucky you might get it all. It's also like I'm making these videos for you, you will benefit, but still you guys don't want them till end. But no worries, with the speed I'm creating this video, let's see what we need. First, we need to add a dependency and two permissions in manifest file for requesting multiple permissions. If you watched my previous video on permissions in Jetpack Compose, you may already know about this. Now to get it started, we just need to create one variable called permission state. So now we have the permission state variable which will tell us whether the user has granted us permission or not. If only that dating was that easy, right? Then we must then we pass a list of the permissions we need from the user, such as recording audio and camera access. After that, in the on start lifecycle method, we just launch the permission request launcher using permission state dot launch multiple permission request. Now in the composable function, we can iterate through all the permissions using permission state dot permissions dot for each. We check the state of each permission and perform the necessary action based on whether it's granted or denied. It's like your mom's asking you to clean your room, but you are telling your mom that you are not going to clean your room. Believe me, it's not going to end well in either case. For example, if the permission is camera, we check its status and show a message accordingly. We do the same for recording audio and display a text box with the appropriate message. Now after running the app, the user will see a dialog asking for permission to access the requested permission, as you can see in the video, in the basically the app I'm showing you currently. So if they grant permission, we will see a message that the permission is granted. If they deny permission, we won't be able to access the permission. And if the user denied the permission again for the same permission, then we won't be able to show the further prompts. And now the user has to permit you the permission basically from the settings now. And yeah, that's it for this video. Actually, if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to our channel for more updates on Jetpack Compose and Android. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. See you in the next one. Bye.